Would you enjoy a scientific occupation? Do you have a fascination for earth science? Have you an analytical mind? Would you be prepared to work in remote locations? If you said yes to these questions, the occupation of geophysicist might be the one for you. Geophysicists are geoscientists with a focus on matter and energy and how these interact. They study the physical properties and structure of the Earth from its core to its upper atmosphere. Geophysicists use a combination of theory and techniques from the field of geology, maths, physics and engineering to conduct research and perform tests on the Earth's surface, atmosphere and waters. They study gravitational, electrical, thermal, seismic and magnetic phenomena to determine the structure and composition of the Earth. They also study the forces causing the movement and warping of the Earth's crust. The knowledge gained by this research is used in many ways, including ore and mineral prospecting, groundwater mapping, in solving civil engineering problems, and in geological and environmental studies. There are a large and ever-increasing number of subfields in geophysics. Hydrologists map and chart surface and underground water systems. The information that's collected can be applied to problems in crop production, soil and water conservation, irrigation and inland water projects. Marine geophysicists study the oceans. They work to understand how geophysical phenomena such as underwater volcanoes and hydrothermal systems transform land masses and the oceans. They are also involved in climate change research. Seismologists specialize in the study of earthquakes. They examine active fault lines and areas where earthquakes have occurred. They try to establish the relationship between the upper Earth mantle structures and tectonic plate movement. They work to establish what the deep interior of the Earth looks like. Applied and exploration geophysicists analyze the Earth's crust. They look for oil and mineral deposits as well as sites for the safe disposal of hazardous wastes. They use seismic techniques to do this. Geophysicists are often employed as specialists in the field of civil engineering. They examine and evaluate possible building or construction sites and determine what precautions are necessary to ensure the stability of buildings being constructed. Some geophysicists focus on the Earth's magnetic field. The data gathered is used for understanding issues in radio and television transmission, GPS navigation, space exploration, and space science. Geophysicists work in a variety of environments. While many are involved in fieldwork and applied geophysics, others work in laboratories where research activities are the focus. They use computer modeling software to develop and test their hypotheses. The instruments used in geophysical science are highly complex and designed to take very precise measurements. To follow this career pathway, a degree in science with a major in geophysics, geoscience, or a combination of geology and physics is required. Experienced geophysicists with doctorates may advance to high-level research positions. They often supervise entire research programs or run specialized projects. Highly qualified and experienced geophysicists often become leaders in their area of specialization and take on a lot of consultancy work.